Open the printer door. Press and hold down the cassette button and pull out the retransfer film cassette. Follow the same procedure for removal of the ink ribbon cassette. First, install retransfer film on cassette. Unpackage retransfer film. Try not to touch the retransfer face with your hand as it might cause print defects. When installing retransfer film, match green supply spool with green cassette bobbin and black take-up spool with black cassette bobbin. When installing film, make sure that at least 3 black lines are wound on the take-up side. Press down on the take-up and supply spools to confirm that they are properly locked onto the retransfer cassette bobbins. Note diagram located on cassette to verify the retransfer film is properly installed. Now install the ink ribbon on cassette. Stand cassette on a flat surface. Unpackage ink ribbon. Try not to touch the ink surface with your hand as it may cause print defects. When installing ink ribbon, match yellow supply spool with yellow cassette bobbin and black take-up spool with black cassette bobbin. Ribbon should travel on the outside of the metal guide rails. Press on the take-up and supply spools to confirm that they are properly locked onto the ink cassette bobbins. Note diagram on the cassette to verify the ink ribbon is properly installed. When installing cassettes, note the cassettes are color-coded. The retransfer cassette has green markings and the ink cassette has yellow markings. Install cassettes to matching colored compartment. Insert cassette all the way in along the guide rail until a click sound is heard. Close printer door. Press reset and then center arrow button to reset the printer. Your XID retransfer and ink cassettes are now properly installed.